Text writing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you the incredible ways you can use Chatgpt as your writing assistant. It's pretty amazing. With Chatgpt you can have text written for you on a wide range of topics, tailored to your specific needs and style. Let's dive right in and explore some examples together. First off, let's talk about how helpful Chatgpt can be for crafting emails. Whether you need an email template or a well-crafted response to a tricky situation, Chatgpt has got you covered. Let's try asking Chatgpt to write an email for us with this prompt. Write an email declining a job offer in a professional and appreciative manner. Include aspects such as expressing gratitude, stating reasons for the decision, maintaining a positive note, and leaving room for future opportunities. While reading this email, you can see how well crafted it is. Oh, and here is a pro tip. Being precise with your prompts is key to getting the ideal response you want, just like I did here. Next up, poetry. Chatgpt can create beautiful verses for you. Let's say you want a heartfelt poem about the beauty of friendship and the joy it brings. Just provide Chatgpt with the theme, tone, length, and even the imagery you desire, and you will receive a custom-crafted free-verse poem that truly reflects your emotions. Keep in mind that by providing details, you will get a customized free-verse poem. When it comes to writing text that sounds native-like, ChatGPT's magic really shines. Imagine you have written an essay in a foreign language, like French, but it lacks the natural flow and you really want it to sound more authentic, just like a native speaker. Well, fear not, because ChatGPT is here to save the day. Simply copy and paste your essay into the prompt and ask ChatGPT to make it sound more native-like. Your text will be transformed into something that reads as if a true French native wrote it. For instance, I will paste this part of an essay in ChatGPT and then write, "Can you make this text sound like how a native French speaker would say it?" Give it a try and see how ChatGPT can help you sound more like a native speaker in your target language. You know, by reading the revised text, you can also enhance your language knowledge. Furthermore, to steer clear of any plagiarism concerns, you can incorporate a couple of alterations to the text. You will ensure the content remains original and doesn't raise any red flags with automated plagiarism checks. But wait, there is more. ChatGPT can also help you incorporate inspiring quotes into your writing. Let's say you are writing an article about happiness and you want to add some thought-provoking quotes to spice it up. Okay, let's first ask ChatGPT to write an article about happiness. Now we can say, now include some thought-provoking quotes by Mahatma Gandhi. You see, including some powerful words from Mahatma Gandhi make your article soar to new heights of impact. You can even use ChatGPT to draft legal documents, like lease agreements. But remember, it's crucial to consult with an attorney for legal matters. And the list goes on. You can actually use it to draft various types of texts, from reports and resume to cover letter and presentations. Need a creative short story or captivating song lyrics? ChatGPT's got your imagination covered. Want to write a witty comment, make a detailed comparison, or even crack a joke? ChatGPT's got you covered there too. You can even use it for crafting tweets, writing social media posts, running a blog, brainstorming slogan or taglines, creating speech transcripts, jotting down bullet points, whipping up recipes, compiling technical documentation, journaling, scripting a play or movie, and preparing flashcards or study materials. The possibilities are truly endless. However, as powerful as ChatGPT is, it's important to remember that being precise in your prompts is crucial. The more specific and clear you are, the better the results will be. It's all about getting your ideal response, and that's where precision shines. Bear in mind, using ChatGPT as your writing assistant can truly elevate your creativity and productivity to new heights. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found it insightful. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.